How to clear recent search history on Messenger. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Messenger application here, and it will lead you to your chat area, right? Basically, you will see all your conversation that you have there. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to here on the upper part, you will see search, right? So if you want to clear recent search history or basically all your search history, then tap on search there and it will look like this. Now, under the search bar there, you will see recent searches. And on the right side, you will see the word edit. Tap on edit there and then just simply delete the search you have searched there or your recent searches there. And if you want to clear everything at once, then on the right side you will see clear all and tap on clear all and it will ask for a confirmation and then just confirm clear searches. And once you go back here, as you can see, you have now clearly deleted all your recent search history on your Messenger, and that is all for the day. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Messenger application, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.